Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV14 sounds like something stuck inside, it can be quite concerning. This noise often indicates that there is a blockage or a malfunction within the motor. If left unresolved, it may lead to decreased performance or even permanent damage to the device, making it essential to address the issue promptly. To carry out this repair, you will need a screwdriver, a replacement motor for the Dyson SV14, and possibly a pair of tweezers to help with small components. First, ensure your device is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Using your screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located at the base of the Dyson SV14. Remember to keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing. Take your time here to avoid damaging the clips that hold the casing together. After opening the device, locate the motor, which is usually situated at the back. You might need to disconnect a few cables to access it fully. Be cautious when doing this as the connectors can be fragile. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, you should see the motor secured with a couple of screws. Remove these screws, and then carefully lift the motor out of its housing. Take your new motor and position it in the same place, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the cables you previously disconnected, making sure they are secure. Once everything is in place, replace the screws to secure the motor. Before reassembling the casing, it's a good idea to double-check that all connections are secure and that nothing is out of place. Then, carefully align the casing back together and replace the screws at the base. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV14 and turn it on to ensure it's functioning correctly. If everything sounds good, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly check for blockages in the hose and filter. Keeping your Dyson clean and well-maintained can significantly extend its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.